Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic that the life of the plants, and we are going to understand about how amazingly plants do their work and why it is so important to grow plants on our life dependency. So that is all about for today's topic, which we are going to discuss, of course, the life of the plants. It is gonna be a long yet interesting topic, so let's buckle up your seats and we are going to discuss one by one. First of all, you have to understand about it. What is the plant? What is the definition of the plant? Basically, a plant is a living organism that usually unable to move. That creature who made their own food through the photosynthesis using sunlight, water, and the carbon dioxide which we exhale. So plants which grows in soil or water, they have parts like leaves, stems, roots, and fundamental importance of the life on the earth. They provide food, they provide shelter, they provide oxygen. That much importance of a plants we have in our life. So this is basically an organism which is a food producer. Plants are known as the producers of the life. So next is which part are present in the plants. There are various parts that we are going to discuss one by one, including roots, leaves, others, and other parts as well. First part is actually before starting it, each part has a specific job to order to keep the plant healthy, which we are going to discuss, of course, one by one. We are going to discuss. First part, let's talk about the leaves. Basically, plant leaves are very essential. That much essential that for the need of the survival of the plant and majorly for doing the photosynthesis, leaves are important. Without leaves, photosynthesis is not possible, and obviously plant is gonna be die after some time if the plant's leaves would be not there. Photosynthesis is the process where the leaves are plays major role in that. Basically a process where the light energy convert into the chemical energy, or we can say that making up the food by using the sunlight, water, and of course carbon dioxide. Next part of the plant is stem. Stem is basically the material of the plant which provides support, which elevates the leaf and capture the light. Basically, major role of the stem is to transport the water and the minerals and the other nutrients throughout the plant from the roots to the tip of the leaves. That is the major function of the stem. Basically, stem also serve as a storage for the foods. The other foods that plants produce that store in the stem only, and also facilitate the vegetative reproduction and also defensive structures like thrones, because we know that stem are the only part who provide the exact support and make that possible to stand the plant straight upright. So that is all about the stem. Next part of the plants that are roots. Basically, plant roots perform essential function, including anchoring the plant family in the soil because they are present under the soil, so they absorb water and dissolve the minerals from the soil, which is very important for the growth purpose. And also these roots store food in the form of starch and nutrient as well. So basically they are primary interface between the plant and the soil, because the only connecting part of the plants with the soil is the roots. So these are very crucial for the plant's health, for the plant stability, and obviously ability to survive and reproduce. If you have to know about another thing about the plants, I already uploaded lots of system related to the root system, shoot system, and other parts of the plant in the other videos. Of course, after attending this class, you can watch over these videos as well. And now that is all about the major part of the plants, that were leaves, stem, and obviously root. Now we have to understand about the things that what does a plant need to grow. Like we need water, we need food, we need other vitamins, carbohydrates, and minerals, other things to grow. Similar manner, what does plant need to grow? One by one, we are going to discuss about the various factors and various needs that plants actually need to grow. First, most important need of the plant is sunlight, because sunlight powers photosynthesis, a process where plants convert light energy, water, and carbon dioxide into food and oxygen. Food in the form of glucose, carbohydrates, or we can say that sugar. So basically, plant use the chlorophyll, which is the green color pigment present on the surface of the leaves. They capture sunlight with the red and blue light being particularly important for this process, and definitely store the sunlight into that part, and definitely then changes sunlight and carbon dioxide to change into the food. That's why sunlight is the major and the most important aspect of the need of the plants. Next part that the plant need is obviously air. We also need air to survive. Similar way, the plants also need air. Air actually provide the carbon dioxide. Plants need that carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis process to make the food, and the oxygen as well. They need for this respiration to release the energy for the growth, because carbon dioxide is the major component in the photosynthesis process. Air movement is also very crucial. At stagnated air can lead to disease and weak growth of the plant, so air is one of the major aspects and major need of the plant growth. Next major point that the plants needs to grow, that is soil. Basically, soil serves as primary functions for a plant. It provides, already I mentioned, anchoring to the roots and deliver the essential water and nutrient materials in a dissolved form to the roots, to the stem, and to the leaves as well. They supports the root growth by providing the oxygen and suitable habitat through the complex interaction with the microorganism, and contribute to the overall good health and the cycle of the soil ecosystem. So soil is one of the major aspect and the major need of the plant growth. Next is water. Definitely, without water, any plant would going to die. So water is in the plant provide the structural support and flexibility through the turgor pressures, act as a solvent, and obviously transport the mediums and nutrients and other water materials and sugar throughout the plant, throughout the stem as well. So basically, it is a crucial raw material for the photosynthesis process as well. The process which is very important for not only humans but also for the plants itself. So water is another one of the important aspect and another need of the plant's growth. Next need that plants actually have, that are nutrients. I already mentioned it in the terms of soil as well. The plant's nutrients enable plants fundamental growth, such as growth, development, reproduction as well, by building its body and repairing the damage wherever the damage occurs in the plants, that provide energy as well, and also form essential compounds like amino acids and enzymes. These nutrients and other things dissolved in the water in the soluble manner under the earth. That means under the earth in the presence of the soil, and root absorb all these nutrients in the dissolving manner, and obviously then transport from the roots to the stem and to the tip of the leaf even. So that is all about the things that we need. Obviously, that is the thing that we need as a photosynthesis process, because the end product is going to be oxygen and the food material. But photosynthesis also needs another things like water, nutrients, sunlight, air. So these were the major points that what we can say that the plants needs for the growth, for the photosynthesis process. Now, the last but not the least thing, that plants and people, how they are interconnected. You know that plants are essential for the human survival. I already mentioned that without oxygen we can't survive. And oxygen is only produced by the plants, by the photosynthesis process, which is the major life, we can say that dependence kind of a thing. So oxygen, we need oxygen to breathe. We need food to eat. We need material for clothing and the shelter, and also medicinal compounds we need. All these things, where that these things comes from? Obviously from the plants. So without plants, even for a single day, life is not possible on this earth. So it is our responsibility to grow more and more and more plants and grow trees, because this is the base of the life, and without that the life is impossible. So that is the major relation, and we can say that it's a visible relation between the plants and the people. You have to understand also why plants and trees are so much important in people's and in person human beings life, not only in human but in other organisms and other structural organisms. The plants are very much important. The similar manner we depend upon the plant, other animals also depends upon the plant. So you have to remember all these things by that. So all you need is plants, that I already mentioned, that without life, without things that plants and trees, life is not possible. So you have to do that thing, grow more plants as much as planting trees you can. You have to do that. Thank you so much for your attention. I know that is all about kind of a review kind of a topic for you, but it is very important topic to discuss for you as well, because it is the need of the life. It is the base of the life which we can't survive without the plant. So that is why the today's topic was dedicated to the plants and their growth purpose and the things that the plants have, of course. So that is all about the topic. I hope you enjoyed this topic thoroughly and you get new knowledge about this thing. We are going to meet definitely very soon with a new topic, with a different example, with a beautiful slide, and definitely day to day life example to make science easier, and obviously getting grasping the science in a more easy manner. That is all for the day. I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you so much for listening me. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. I would be love to solve that thing. Up to the next time, let's wrap up this whole thing. Happy learning. Of course, take care. Bye, learner buddies.